I don't think people realize how important those little buttons on your steering wheel are. When they stop working, it's more than just an annoying glitch. Let's break down what's going on. The Tesla Model S relies on electronic steering wheel controls for things like the horn, music, and even autopilot. But some owners report these buttons just stop responding. So what's causing the problem? It's often a faulty clock spring. That's a small part inside your steering wheel that keeps the buttons connected as you turn. If it wears out or breaks, your controls might cut out completely. Other times, software glitches are to blame. New updates can sometimes create bugs, making the controls freeze or lag. And in rare cases, wiring issues can disconnect the controls altogether. If this happens to you, try restarting your car's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels for 10 seconds. If that doesn't help, it's time for a service appointment. The bottom line? Those steering wheel controls may look simple, but they're powered by some complex tech. If yours stops working, don't ignore it. Get your Model S checked out to stay safe on the road.